back, and today I'm going to go over all the features and specs and everything you need to know what you can do on the new iPad 2021. This is going to be fun and something that, you know, if you're on the fence of buying it or wanting to get it and one of the reasons why you can upgrade, you got the right video. So let's get it started. All right, so let's start with the basics on why we want to get it. What's the reason why we want to get it? Power, right? We want something fast, strong. We want something that can do everything we want it to do right, with no issues, lag, whatever, right? So the iPad Pro comes with a new M1 processor. And with the M1 processor, it's Apple's own homegrown processor, which it can run its own apps fluently, great, you know, 2 times as faster as other operating systems, 50% faster of other apps and operating systems. Apple has a new XDR screen, and with that, it brings a nice performance of the Pro XDR display, which is great. Its colors, great. Sharpness, screen time, and it just looks amazing. I'm checking out the wallpapers right now, and you know, just having something like this just looks great. It just looks really real. It looks nice. I'm on lower than half brightness, and this is how bright the screen is. Again, look at this. Just a nice screen. All right, so next is gonna come the video quality. The video quality is really nice too. It finally has the HD, also 4K quality on this new iPad. So if you want something that's gonna shoot great videos, take this out to an event and shoot some great pictures, you can actually do that too. So not only does it take great pictures, it also takes great videos too for that family adventures, captures, and you won't be disappointed. Now, I used to take photography, and people actually used to take this, shoot with it, and actually kind of outperform my camera. I had a T6, I had a Canon T6, and they had a 2017, 2018 iPad, and were shooting way better quality photos than me. And I had a DSLR. So I was a little embarrassed, and I said, wow, hey, you know what, you gotta give it to them. It was better. Hey, this is really nice. And also, again, you have the lenses with the wide lens, which outperform my camera because I can only shoot at a certain amount of lens with the kit lens, but with this, you have the wide lens. All right, so let's talk about how this can actually be performed as a whole PC now. So they're really transforming this into PCs now. So yes, I said this is pretty much, it has an M1 processor in it. So guess what else has the M1 processor? Yes, the new iMacs. Yes, as you see, these new iMacs actually have the new M1 chips inside of it. So look, it's just as powerful as the new PCs. Like, seriously, what is the point at this point, what is the point of pointing out to the points that I'm pointing towards you, and I'm trying to give you a point that these tablets are pretty much one day going to replace these Macs. Now, that's gonna be a long time from now, but it's starting to draw in. I'm gonna make that point. All right, I'm done with that. And listen, it's going to do it, and these are great. So let's say you're in college. Let's say you need to do research on it. If you're on the go, like I said, travel purposes, doing your thing, these are great to replace your computers if you're away from a computer. At first it was a joke. It couldn't do it. It wasn't worth it. But now it's being taken very serious into serious considerations to be replaced into a computer. And again, it's very powerful. It's very strong. Again, very comparable to the iMacs because it has the same processors in it. Has the same storage. Again, you can get the 2 terabytes with this if you want to. So if you want a lot of data and storage on here, you can do it. You can add Windows softwares to it, like Word, Adobe, etc. All you want to, Photoshop. And again, if you need a keyboard, I would recommend the new Magic Keyboard, as it looks very beautiful on it. If you want to see more of an unboxing of it and how it looks, check out my last video. But I can do a quick put on for you real quick. Let's take it out. This is how it looks on the outside. It has magnets on it right here. And then we're gonna slap this bad boy on. Look at this, very simple, so easy. It's hanging out. Look, it has a floaty feature. Well, it's not really a feature, but you know what I'm trying to say. And this is how it looks like. Amazing, right? Holy crap, ready to go. Bright screen. Look at that speed, oh my gosh. And also the portfolio, really nice. Really secure. Again, I recommend, if anything, I recommend the Magic keyboard because Apple's not playing with their products, man. This is nice, luxury, feels good, nice material. Looks a lot better in person than it do on camera. So hey, it's expensive, but listen, with the expenses, it's definitely worth it in the long haul because this will last you about, man, 4 or 5 years, man. So is it worth it? It's up to you guys. And now we're gonna start going a little bit more blazing fast, okay? Yes, we already know you can use the Apple Pencil with it. You know what I'm saying? If you're an artist or if you need it for accessible reasons, hey, we already know about the Apple Pencil. We already know the damage that I can do to it. We can go crazy on it. Next, you got the 2 speakers on each side. So for that surround sound, so while you're working, you know what I'm saying, watching the latest episode of what? Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon. This can play video games. So again, if you want to set it up however you want to on this Magic keyboard, you can hook up your Xbox controller, PS5 controller, PS4 controller. Listen, you know, you can even set up an SNES controller up to this thing, man. You know what 8-bit do. Shout out to 8-bit do. And you know, do what you want with this, man. This thing can just do whatever it wants, okay? It's portable. Make videos, rendering them all in one, so I can shoot this video. I can actually shoot the video from the iPad, and in the iPad, go into the gallery, you know, take that data, put it into the built-in iMovies that's in here. And also you can actually download Final Cut Pro in here and work as I go. Come on now. Come on now, guys. What are we doing here? So if you want something that's just as good as this, but a little bit on a budget, but if you're a little bit on a budget, I will go with the 2020 iPad M1 version. It's just about the same, has the same size. It's very similar to it, so I'll upgrade to that. But if you want to go full blazing, show them how badass you are, you know what I'm saying? You balling, you got the money out here to go crazy. Listen, get the 2020 iPad. Get the 2021 iPad, go and get that Magic keyboard. Listen, toss out your old PC, you'll be happy, trust me. All right guys, just stepping up, throw the 3s up for your boy, and I'm out. One more thing, it don't matter about the size, okay? Listen, go get the 11-inch, go crazy with it. This is the 11-inch, okay? All right, so that makes you feel better, do that. So what? It's just size. Nothing really changed. You're just getting a bigger size if you want the bigger size. There's no difference in speed. There's no difference in quality, except for the size. But besides that, everything's the same. If you want something bigger, do your thing. If not, whatever. I'm out. Throw the 3s up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. It don't stop on this channel. Subscribe to me. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.